Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to continue numbered list in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I continue numbered list in this document. You can see here are 1, 2, 3 numbered list or some text and another 1, 2, 3 number list. Now I continue numbered list is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Now select this last one. Now right click on this number. Now you can see here a restart numbering. Now my next number is 4. Now press OK. Now you can see I continue numbered list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbered list in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.